Hi, my friends, it's Miss Alexander. Today we're working on Module 5, Lesson 35 of Engage New York. Our objective is to represent the multiplication of n times a over b as the quantity of n times a over b using associative property. We have this same vocabulary words plus 1. So whole number, fraction, numerator, denominator, mixed number, improper. These are our no more vocabulary words we've had with fractions. Now we're going to add associative property. This is a math rule that says the way in which factors are grouped together, multiplication problem does not change the product. Here's our example. We have 5 times 4, the quantity of 5 times 4 times 2, and it has the same product as 5 times quantity of 4 times 2. So 5 times 4 is 20, you guys, and if we multiply that by 2, we get 40. And then over here we have 5 times quantity of 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8, times 5 is 40. So it doesn't matter how you group your numbers, you get the same product as long as you're using the exact same numbers. Let's go look at our steps. Today we're going to convert a whole number into a fraction form. Remember, you do that by taking the whole number and putting it over 1. We multiply the numerators, then we multiply the denominators, then we put the two numbers together, and we're going to convert the improper fraction to a mixed number, and then we will simplify. These are common steps for you guys, so I'm going to keep moving on. Let's go look at our example. I have 3 times 5, 6. So right here, I'm going to take my 3. I'll put it over 1. And then right here, multiply my numerators. I'm going to do 3 times 5, or I could do 5 times 3. Either way, both answers, you guys, equal 15. 3 times 5 is 15, and 5 times 3 is 15. And then I'm going to multiply my denominators. I have this denominator right here, 1. Right here 1 times 6. Or I could write it as 6 times 1. And either way, you guys, your answer equals 6. I'm going to highlight one set of products because I only need the one. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. And now I'm going to put my 15 over my 6. And I know that 6 is smaller than 15. So I'm going to do my counting. 6, 12, 18. I know I've gone too far because 18 is bigger than 15. So 6, 12, and now I have to count from 12 to 15. 12, 13, 14, 15. I see that it's 3. Now I'm going to count right here. I have 1, 2. So right here I have 2 and 3, 6. Okay, so I see there's a number between the 3, 6 that I can pull. So before I do that, do you see this whole number? I'm going to go ahead and bring it up to my answer. It becomes a 2. And then right here, I'm going to bring my 3, 6 down. I'm going to quick run up here because I forgot to grab it earlier. Highlight it, Control C. Now, if you don't have this worksheet and you're practicing with me, you can always go to Insert, Special Characters, and then write in DIVI to get the division sign as well. Now that I have that, I know that 3, 6, I can pull out 3. Also, I think that's in our example. Look, 3, 6. So now that I do that, 3 goes into 3 one time, and 3 goes into 6 two times. So my fraction part's been simplified to 1/2. Let's go look at one more example after I put the answer in my problem. So one more example. We have 7 times 6/10. So I'm going to put that into a fraction, 7 over 1. So I'm going to do 7 times 6, or If you feel like you know your 6 is better, 6 times 7. Either way, the answer is 42. And then I'll take this 1 times 10, or 10 times 1. Either answer, the answer is, sorry about that, typo, is 10. So again, I'm going to just highlight one set of the products so that I know these are my numbers I'm using. And then I write here, do 42 over 10. And yes, 10 is smaller than 42. So I'll go 10. Oh, I forgot the 10 down here, you guys. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I know I've gone too far because I need 42. So I'm going to take this one off and count 10, 20, 30, 40. And yes, I have to add 2. So now I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. So right here, I'm going to put 4, and it gives me 2/10 left. Right up here in the answer, I'll put my 4, but I know that 10 and 2 are even, so we need to make sure we simplify those. So I'm going to do Control V, and because they're even, I know I can pull 2 out of both. 2 goes into 2 1 time, and 2 goes into 10 5 times. So my answer is 1/5. So right up here in the answer, I will put 1/5 as well. And there's our answer. As you're doing this, go ahead and struggle. That's how we learn best, is by struggling and working through it and becoming successful. You've got this. Remember to take that breath. Just sit there, absorb it, understand. And remember to smile, giggle, and wiggle. I'll talk to you later. Bye.